Culinary Arts program at Tri-County focuses on employability in the culinary and hospitality fields through the running of our student-operated restaurant and marketplace. Students learn hands-on skills on the many different aspects of the industry. Many different facets are covered, such as baking and pastry arts, hot and cold food preparation, party planning, retail service, customer service, banquet and buffet service, along with industry standard certifications. Students earn certifications including Servsafe, food handlers, OSHA 10, Prostart, and Fire Extinguisher. Related studies include hospitality, nutrition, menu planning, menu costing, and management procedure, along with cooking methods, sanitation, and safety. Articulation agreements include Johnson & Wales University, Bristol Community College, Massasoit Community College, and the Culinary Institute of America. Our graduates are working all over the world, from a sommelier in southern France to a pastry chef at Disney, and many U.S. restaurant owners, managers, and chefs. Many graduates go on to colleges and universities or study in the U.S. Armed Forces. Multiple job opportunities are commonly available to our graduates. Co-op positions include restaurants like Davio's, Skipjack's, Outback, Dessert Works, Nosh and Grog, and Restaurant 3. We look forward to working with you here in the Culinary Arts program.